How to change your Google Chrome search bar from black to white. If you have Chrome browser with the black search bar, or maybe you have changed it by mistakenly, so you can make it by default color, which is white. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so this is my Chrome browser. So before we start, the first thing we need to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. So I can check it. Just click on this three dot option, go to the settings, go to the help, and go to the about Chrome, Google Chrome here. And here you can see the Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start updating automatically, and after update you can see option here, it will be it say relaunch. Just click on the relaunch, then your Chrome browser will be relaunched. Okay, so what you need to do now, so you can see my Chrome browser is by default color. So there is a server method. First we have to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. So second method is, just come to the settings here, go to the appearance, and go to the themes. If you have select any themes or on your Chrome browser, then you can see the option here that make the my default search, make the by default themes. Just click on make the default themes, and your themes will be come to the by default. Okay, so I will show you to add one themes here. So if I add any themes, okay, I just add these themes. Okay, this is themes, I don't know. Okay, this is themes, so just add it. You can see this is add it to my Chrome browser. You can see this is add. Now you can see the option called reset the default. If I click it, then it will be reset the default. This is the first option. The second the next option is, come to the Google Chrome, and here you can see the customize Chrome option at very bottom. If you don't see it, you need to go against settings and go to the Google, go to the search engine, and here you have to make the by default search engine, which is Google. Then you can see this option, which is customize Chrome Chrome. Okay, this option will become by default. Okay, there is no any setting to enable it, so it will be show here. Then there is another option you can enable it, still you don't have in customize Chrome option here. So I will show you, but first I will show you how you can make it, how you can make the black to white Chrome search bar. Go to the customize Chrome, and here you can see the background. So select this by default background. Maybe you have select any other like this, so make it by default, which is classic Chrome. Now come to the Chrome and color and themes, and maybe you have select black one like this. You have to select this default. Just click on this default and just click on date. It will be come to the white. Okay, so still if you don't find this customize Chrome, so what you need to do, you have to apply the themes on your Chrome browser. Go to the settings and go to the appearance, and you have to just click on this and apply the 1-2 themes on your Chrome browser. You have to just you have to follow this step for 2-3 days, or maybe 1-2 days for 3-2 time. You have to just change any themes and make it themes in your browser, and after that remove it. Then after few minutes you have to change again here and reset it, and after you done for 2-3 times for 1-2 day, it will, the customize option will be enable here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.